In today's video, I'm going to teach you about understanding Google Vids AI-powered suggestions. Google Vids is quickly becoming a favored tool for video editing and content creation thanks to its revolutionary AI-powered features. Through this guide, I'll walk you through how to leverage these intelligent suggestions for your projects, making your video editing process both simpler and more efficient. First off, let's navigate to Google Vids. This incredible platform is part of the broader Google Workspace, known for its seamless integration with other Google products and services. To get started, you'll need to sign in. Click on the Sign In button. At this point, you're prompted to choose your Google account. If you've multiple accounts, make sure to select the one you wish to use for Google Vids. With that settled, you're now inside Google Vids, your creative playground. To earmark the start of a new project, you'll want to go to the File menu. This section is foundational to beginning any work within the platform. Here you'll see an option for creating a new video. Click on it. This step symbolizes the commencement of your venture into video creation, where your imagination can run wild within the bounds of this powerful tool. Once you're in the creation interface, there's a feature that stands out for its ability to elevate your editing prowess: the AI-powered suggestions by Google Vids. To familiarize yourself, locate the Learn More option at the top right corner. This is your gateway to understanding the depth and utility of the AI integrations at your disposal. Google Vids AI is designed to offer suggestions that can significantly streamline the editing process and enrich your content. Now delve deeper into the AI capabilities by scrolling down to the section labeled Learn About Gemini Feature Suggestions. This segment houses the crux of what makes Google Vids so unique: its AI-driven suggestions. The Gemini feature is an avant-garde tool within Google Vids, designed to analyze your content and provide smart, actionable recommendations that could include anything from editing tips to content enhancement suggestions. This feature is a testament to Google's commitment to utilizing AI for creative empowerment, and understanding it is key to maximizing your use of Google Vids. Why is this important, you might ask? In the realm of video creation and editing, the ability to swiftly implement high-quality edits and add engaging elements is invaluable. Google Vids AI-powered suggestions are tailored to assist you in creating content that's not only aesthetically pleasing, but also engaging and effective in conveying your message. By leveraging these intelligent recommendations, you're not just editing, you're iterating on your content with the insight of advanced AI analysis. A few tips to keep in mind as you explore these suggestions. Be open to experimenting. The Gemini feature is designed to offer tailored recommendations, but it's your creative vision that brings the final piece to life. Additionally, consistently check the Learn More section. Google is known for their updates and added features, and staying informed ensures you're always leveraging the full potential of Google Vids. The journey through Google Vids and its AI-powered suggestions opens a realm of possibilities for content creators. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just starting out, the blend of your creativity with the intelligent support of Google Vids suggestions promises to elevate your video projects to new heights. Today, we've gone through the steps to start leveraging Google Vids for your video editing endeavors, specifically focusing on understanding and utilizing the AI-powered suggestions. By following this guide, you're now equipped to dive into your next project with a powerful set of tools at your disposal. Remember, the key to maximizing your use of Google Vids lies in exploring its features, experimenting with its suggestions, and combining them with your unique creative vision. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Here's to creating compelling, engaging, and high-quality content with Google Vids. Happy editing!